In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show week numbers in Google Calendar. This feature is especially useful for those who like to stay organized and track weeks closely in their planning. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to begin by opening Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering the Google Calendar URL. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account to access your calendar. Once your calendar is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will notice a small gear icon which serves as the menu for settings. Clicking on this gear icon, a drop-down will appear. Select Settings from this menu to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of your screen. There's an abundance of features here which can be customized to your liking, but for today's task, we're going to focus on enabling week numbers. Look through the left menu and scroll down until you find View Options. It might take a second to locate, but it's there, nestled among other display settings. Upon reaching the View Options, you'll see a series of checkboxes related to how your calendar is displayed. Find the option labeled Show Week Numbers. By default, this isn't selected, so go ahead and click on the box to check it. This simple action activates the feature, ensuring that week numbers are displayed on your calendar. We've almost reached the finish line. With the week numbers now enabled, it's time to see how they appear on your calendar. Go back to your calendar's main view. You can do this by clicking on the back button or simply selecting Calendar from the menu. To best appreciate this new feature, switch your calendar view to either week, month, or year. As you toggle between these views, you'll notice the week numbers displayed in the left margin, right beside each respective week. This organizational tool allows you to keep track of the weeks with great ease, making scheduling and planning more straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled week numbers in Google Calendar. This feature can really enhance your planning and give you a better structure as you navigate through your tasks and appointments. Remember, you can always revisit the settings if you ever need to adjust or disable this feature. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips like these. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.